I think we've got some more over here. You see more eggs? More eggs in the bucket. More eggs in the bucket. Good job. In the bucket. Good job. Let's go get more. I see a yellow one over here. Daphne, look, in the water spout, there's an egg. There you go, you found it. Let's put the egg in the bucket. No, honey, in the bucket. There we go, good job. A water spout, yeah. Do you see any more eggs? Yay! Now let's get more eggs in the bucket. There you go. Do you see more eggs, Daphne? More eggs? I heard an airplane. Hey, Daphne, look. Egg. Egg down there. Do you see another egg? Daphne, one more egg. One more egg. Where is it? Could it be down here? Look, Daphne, right down there. Yay, you found all the eggs.